Come on. Do it like this. Take a good look at this life.
Take a look, y'all.
And tell me what you
Every
find.
season, there's the reason. Tell me where you think that you're going when you're leaving.
When I open my eyes, I see your world and it's
Everybody
crying.
wants to dance, so
dance.
you know you love
Yo,
how we do. We rock like this when we roll. I represent Bangtown, hailing straight from the West on the coast where the air is fresh. Appointed to spit this fire, consume your flesh. Forget the rest. Before you take another breath, I might suggest that you consult your nearest watch for the time that is left on the countdown. I got this lyrical route down.
Take a
chance,
people
dance,
before we
I-5 outbound.
That's right. Rockin' on in that special essay.
Give it to you, real, bring it to you.
Yes, y'all. Touch the line, do it every day.
Give it to you, real, bring it to you. Keep it moving, yes. I'm not your average everyday rapper from around the way where the crown put it down. Spit it if I got to say word to the masses. Put your hands together with that soul clap. Act like you know on the 2 and 4, never 1 and 3. We ain't kicking country. I rock hip hop redundantly. Sublime rhyme every time I'm out here showing them. Eclectic, hectic, my style so electric. The city shine bright. My flight touch down on the tarmac. Far from whack, wearing my farm hat. They rock the FUBU, iced out, ready to pillage. I rip the set, sport threads straight from Value Village. I'm like that, I write fast, speak love like that. Spit venomous sparks at the dog so I can like that. You can see the sunshine blazing everyone. Rhyme a metaphor, settle any score with my punchline. Bring it to you on the level that you can't relate. Rock your body party, people always feeling really great. At my show, and it's so magnifique. We lift the weight, make it light, rock it bright. Let your life leave the state. You be loving music, but you want something new. Something different, maybe help with what you're going through. Think I got the answer, plus I know it's right. Take you to a higher level. Leave this world now.
Time to run away
Can't
now.
run away, y'all.
May not see another day now. Check the rhyming, step in timing. Love is the rhythm running steady.
Love is the
every
rhythm
time.
running steady.
No time to run away
Can't
now.
run away,
We
y'all.
can blow, we can chill, and we can just check the rhyming, step in timing. Love is the rhythm running steady.
Love is the
steady,
rhythm.
steady.
Love is the rhythm.
That's right. Rockin' on in that special essay.
Give it to ya, real, bring it to ya.
Yes, y'all. Come on, touch the night, do it every day.
Rap for the most high. Keep it steady as we runnin'. Machete MCs, confetti MCs, petty MCs. I done quit rockin' cause they ain't saying it. I got hella bills, record sales ain't paying it. Wax for DJs, keep delaying it. But when I get it, my niggas is gonna be playing it. Paramount and Miramax will probably start betraying it. Me and the family, Disneyland, playing it. Sometimes when I look at the past, genuine start to finish line, I'm hitting the gas. Get stuck in slow motion, catch the whip in the lash. Pace myself for the finish. Ask me for a cold glass of water just to take a sip. Last drop in my cup, still I'm giving you it. Take a drink, stop, think, breathe deep and sit all the way, y'all. Wait, don't stop. Word, be rockin' it, touch it like time all night. Just take a hit and don't quit. Keep rockin' and rockin' and rockin' and rockin'.
That's right. Rockin' on in that special way.